Sooner than later it happens. You look in the mirror and you don't like the signs of aging that you see. Well, guess what? There's a new treatment that can take years off your face. It's called the Total FX Laser System. And better yet, it takes only one treatment and just a few days of downtime.
For the right patient, you can really see some dramatic results.
Dr. Ken Lee is the director of dermatologic and laser surgery at Oregon Health and Science University. He's one of the first doctors nationwide to use the Total FX CO2 laser technology, a system of 2 lasers that improves skin texture and removes sun damage with minimal pain and recovery time.
The skin becomes shrink wrapped, and also the skin texture is improved. Well, let's go over what we're going to do today.
Dr. Lee's patient today is 56-year-old Sandy Jones.
I mean, I'm hoping that, there's going to be at least 10, 15 years that come off.
They come in and we put a numbing cream on their face. Then we also give little nerve blocks to make the overall process very comfortable for the patient.
Then the procedure begins.
Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Did you feel that at all?
The first laser that I use is actually the Deep FX, which makes the more deeper penetrating small holes in the skin.
As you can see, there's tiny little, almost pixels that are being laid down here. You actually see that the skin is actually just shriveling up and tightening, which is what we're wanting. And it's normal to have this type of pinpoint bleeding because it breaks through the surface of the skin into where the blood vessels are. I can get close to the eyes here because she has these metal shields in that protects her eyes. So this is the Deep FX part. This actually is the part that takes the longest.
Next, the Active FX laser.
I go in and I'm removing small little bits of the skin surface. You see a bit of a popcorn effect, which allows for faster regrowth of the skin.
In Dr. Lee's hands, the Total FX lasers are an art.
You do need to have an eye for this. My mother's an artist, maybe that comes from her. The most important thing is really tailoring the treatment to the patient.
Total FX takes no more than 1 hour to complete. The cost is $3,000 to $4,000, but don't be tempted by a bargain deal at the hands of a novice.
There's no substitute for experience, and buyer beware.
Social downtime is 1 week, while your skin is healing and it looks like you have a pretty bad sunburn. But after that, with makeup, you're good to go.
Surprisingly, where this used to be very painful, with the old laser, patients are really in no pain during that recovery period.
Best of all, the results will last for years until your new skin ages again.
From a best bang for the buck, and this is really up there.
These before and after pictures of other patients tell the story.
But when you step back and look at her, she just looks so much younger. In the right hands, this delivers in results. It's not a lunchtime procedure, but in return, you get results that are very significant and an improvement that you can enjoy and be proud of.
I'm Kim Singer.